Okay, let us start. So next data structure we have in is tree. Okay, should we start now?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
tree.
Yes,
So
sir.
tree is basically a data structure in which we arrange data in the form of some hierarchical order. So like this. Okay, but this specific type of tree, if we make another type of tree like this, B, C, D, where A is the root or also called the parent, and B and C are the child of this tree, where B
Yes,
is
sir.
the left child and C is the
Right child.
right child. And we can see one more thing here. In our example, this tree has only two child. So hence
Yes.
we will call it a
Binary tree.
binary tree. Exactly. And in that case, we are having more than two child. So
General
that tree, general tree. Exactly, general tree. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if we go for a few definitions of it, but before that, tell me, I have few trees. A, B, C. This is my A tree. Maybe like this. A, B, C. My A tree. A, B, C. My B tree. A, B, C. C tree. And A, uh, D tree. So I have four trees, A, B, C, and D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if you see these trees, we are talking about basically the similar trees and the copy trees. There are two definitions, similar trees and copy trees. If you see ABC and ADE are the similar trees because the shape is same.
Yes, sir.
But if you see A and C,
Similar.
elements are similar and shape is similar.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
we will call these trees as
Copy tree.
copy tree, where elements are same and the shape is same. We will call it copy tree, and where only the structure is same, we will call it
Similar tree.
similar tree. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us move. Now let us see one tree, and we will do one examples for it. E, B, C, D, E, F. Which type of tree it is? Binary or general?
Binary tree.
Binary tree. Because this definition is the maximum can have two nodes. But if you see B is not having right child, so that is not mattering me, because we are saying maximum two children should be there. Then the tree is a binary tree. Maybe B is not having any child, then again it is a binary tree. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, I take it to a further level, G and H. Now this is my root or parent. This is my left tree, and this is my right subtree. Left subtree, right subtree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Please, today's topic is very important for you. So please notice things very carefully. Now, if you see this tree and F, D, G, H, these are the children's at the last level. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि इसके बाद
Yes,
कोई I don't have any leaf nodes. So these nodes will be called as leaf nodes. Leaf nodes. So these nodes will be called as
leaf nodes.
leaf nodes, and the collection of leaf nodes like this will be called the yield of the tree. Y-I-E-L-D, yield of the tree. Is it clear? This is called
Yield of
yield of the tree. Now, let us see another thing here. I have a tree A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and K. It is binary tree again.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we have to see two definitions here. What do you mean by depth or height of the tree? And what do you mean by level of the tree? And then we need to define a relation between the depth and the height. Okay? Depth and the level, sorry. Now, if you see this A, it is on level 0. Okay? B and E are on level 1. C, D, F, G are on level 2. And H and K are on level 3. So level basically tells the layer onto which that element lies. Okay? Is it clear? Level definition is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you mean by depth or height? If you check, this tree, like a normal tree, has branches A, B, C, A, B, D, A, E, F, A, E, F, A, E, G, H, A, E, G, K. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So tell me the branch which is having maximum number of nodes. Either AEGH or AEGK.
Yes, sir.
So how many nodes it has? 4.
4 nodes. Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So depth or height of a tree is basically the maximum number of nodes in any branch of tree is called depth or height. So depth of tree, this tree is, because see na, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The maximum number is
4.
4. And there is a relation between depth and level. Depth is always level plus 1. Depth is which value? And level is
3.
hence proved. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Depth का definition clear है?
Yes, sir.
It is the maximum number of nodes in any branch of tree is called depth or height of the tree. Should I
Yes.
erase it?
So 1 minute.
So there is a relation between depth and the level. Depth is always level plus 1. Depth is 4 and level is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
This topic is very important. Tree data structure is very important for you people. Now, next we have, what do you mean by a complete binary tree? The definition of complete binary tree says any tree which is having 2 nodes at the maximum for each node, 2 child for each node, and except the last level. Suppose I say A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is my last level. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, B is not having 2 child. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So any tree where each node is having 2 child except the last level is called
Complete
a
binary.
complete binary tree. Is it clear? Easy है?
सर
Yes.
सर बी का राइट चाइल्ड तो है नहीं,
हाँ.
फिर भी
Except
complete हो
the
गया।
except the last level ना, इस level के 2 पूरे नहीं है. यही बोला मैंने. Last level छोड़ के. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is one more definition here. That is called extended binary tree, or also called 2 tree. Extended binary tree, or also called
2 tree.
2 tree. So it is a tree basically where suppose I say this is my tree. Suppose this is my tree. It is which type of tree? Binary tree?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes or no?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes,
extended binary tree or two tree is a tree which will have either 0 child or 2 child. Now
Yes.
see, if you see this tree very carefully, this node is not having its right child. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I
Yes, sir.
will attach a square to it. Now this node is not having any left or right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I will
Yes, sir.
attach a left and right square. Similarly, this node does not have any children, so I will attach 2 children to it. तो बाइनरी ट्री को मैंने किसमें कन्वर्ट किया?
Standard binary.
Now the nodes in the round are ni, that is internal nodes, and the round in the square are ne, external nodes. And there is a relation. External node will be always one more than the internal node. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hence relation is proved. External node will be always one more than the internal node. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So earlier this was the tree. So this was not having right. I attached the square. Left, right were missing. I attached the squares. Left and right were missing. I attached 2 squares to it. So in squares are external node. In rounds are internal nodes. And this is the relation between the external and the internal node. So today you saw 2 relations. Depth is always level plus 1, and external node is always internal node plus
1.
1. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today's lecture is going to be a bit challenging for you people. So please concentrate. Concentration of the highest order is required today for today's lecture. Now, how you will represent your tree in the memory? Representation of tree in memory. Now tell me, this topic you did for every data structure. You represented array in memory with the 1D formula, then 2D formula, row major order, column major order, 3D formula, row major order, column major order. Then you did for linked list, how we can represent linked list in memory using arrays and linked list. That is your stack basically. How you represented your stack in memory using arrays, using linked list. Then you did queues, and queues representation you did it again 2 ways, using arrays, using
Linked list.
linked list. So today we are going to see how we will represent our tree. So I will make any tree A, B, C, D, E, and F. So in any tree, I will have minimum 3 things: root, left, and
Right.
right. So what I will do, I will make a table. So root, left and right. If you remember, we did the same thing for linked list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many nodes do you have? A, B, C, D, E, F. So I write it randomly. A, B, C, D, E, F. Randomly I'm putting. So which is the root node?
A.
So it will point to
Second.
yes or no? Because on second I have A, root is A.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what is the left of root?
B.
And B is on
5.
5.
5.
A के left में
A का
5
left क्या होगा?
5.
And what is the right of A?
C.
C.
C. And C is on
7.
easy है, बना पाएंगे बाकी टेबल?
Yes, sir.
बस आपको ये ध्यान देना है कि F का लेफ्ट और राइट नहीं है, तो both will be
0.
D and E, left and right are not there, so both will be 0. Now you see, if you see B, B's left is
F.
and
F.
F is on
It's fourth location.
So B will be 4 left and B's right is missing, hence
0.
easy है अब?
सर ये लीनियर लिंक लिस्ट होगी ना जिसमें दो वैल्यूज होती हैं,
Of
दो
course,
पॉइंटर्स होंगे और एक वैल्यू होगी.
of course. And it is a non-linear data structure.
यस.
Now C's left is D and D is on 1 and C's right is E. E is on 3.
Yes, sir.
Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you represent your tree in memory. So take any example, make a table and put the values.
Sir, two-way linked list की तरह. Same.
Two-way you can call because we are having 2 pointers. One will move to left and one will only
Yes,
move to right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Or you want to note it down?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Want to note it down. I hope it is easy. This topic is easy. How you represent a T in memory?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I raise it now?
Yes, sir.
सर अरे क्या रूप से भी कर सकते हैं
Yes,
represent का.
yes, we can do it there is also. But it is basically pointer based. Hence, we prefer linked list for it.
Okay.
Okay. Now let us see the most important topic and the topic for today. आज का जो main important topic, that is traversing of trees, and we are going to see 3 algorithms for it. And trust me, it is one of the most important topic for your data structures, for your final examinations, for your interviews. This topic is going to be a lot of like value for you people. So topic is traversing of trees. And what do you mean by traversing?
Processing.
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 Traversing of trees. So we have 3 type of traversing. One is called
Pre-order.
pre-order,
Pre-order, post.
in order,
In order.
and
Post.
post order.
Post.
बच्चे इस चीज को क्रैम करते हैं, but इसको याद करने का बड़ा ही आसान तरीका है. So we have 3 things: root, left, and right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A, B, C. A, B, C. तो pre means root सबसे पहले.
Yes, sir.
In means root in the middle, and post says root at last. And left हमेशा right से पहले. Left is always preferred over right. Left is always preferred over right. Is it easy to remember?
Yes, sir.
So students try to cram it. Pre-order is root, left, right. In order is left, root, right, and so on. But it is very easy to see this. And if I make a tree A, B, C, what is its pre-order? Roots,
A,
left,
B, C.
right.
Yes.
A,
ABC.
ABC.
What will be in order? Left, root, right.
BAC.
AC.
And what will be post order?
BCA.
Left, right, root.
BCA.
BCA.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
We have done this exercise earlier also.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes,
let
sir.
us make a tree and let us. Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now let us make a tree. X, B, A, L, M, T, S. What is the pre-order?
X,
X,
B, A, L.
B, A, L.
MTS.
MTS.
Because
Yes.
pre-order says root, left, right. So root
Yes, sir.
is,
X.
left is,
B, A.
but root, left, right, I cannot go because left is not complete.
Yes, sir.
Root, left, right.
AL. Yes, sir.
Then root, left, right.
MTS.
Is it easy now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now, in order. In order
Okay.
says
left, root, right.
left, root, right. So what is the leftmost?
A.
Left root,
B.
right.
L.
Left
X.
is done. Then root,
Yes. X.
X.
then right. Right का फिर
T.
leftmost.
TMX.
Left,
Yes.
root, right.
Yes, sir.
Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Post order says
Left right root.
Left right root. तो leftmost is
A.
A,
left के
B,
बाद
then
right,
L. L.
then root.
B.
तो
Then
left is done.
TSM.
Left के बाद right.
TSM,
TSM. Then X.
X,
So left right root. Left is done, now right. Left right root. Left is done, right is done, root. Is it easy?
yes sir,
Yes, sir.
Should I give an example to you people to solve it?
yes
Yes.
sir,
Okay. Should I erase it?
yes sir,
Please tell me if it is unclear or any doubts you have. So we can do one, go for more examples. So let us do X, P, M, T, Q, S, N, B, D, E, G. Please write its pre-order in order and post it on your copies. What is the pre-order?
MP,
Pre-order.
X.
Sir, X, P, M,
X,
M.
P,
P.
X, P,
And
XMP,
T, Q, S, T, Q, S, N, B, D, E, G.
please match. कितने लोगों का match कर रहा है?
Done, sir. Match.
yes sir,
Root left, right, root left, right, root left.
Yes, sir.
Then root left, BD, root left, right.
yes sir,
Right is missing. छोड़ दो.
Yes.
Is it easy?
yes sir,
Please tell me if it is unclear. I can make you solve an example. Okay. Let us solve it first. In order. In order में leftmost क्या है?
M.
M,
Left के बाद root.
P, T,
Then right का leftmost.
MP, Q, T,
Q, T,
N, S, X, E,
S. Then E, D, B.
Sorry. मैं miss कर गया.
Then D, B.
sir,
N के
X रह
बाद
गया,
N के बाद S कहाँ से है?
X है।
अच्छा. N S X. हाँ जी, check please.
yes sir,
Because in order says left root right, leftmost says left, then root, then right ka leftmost, left root, right ka leftmost, left root right. Left is done, then root, then right, leftmost, left root right, EDG. Left is done, then root B.
B.
Then there is no right, to leave it.
ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈਗੀ ਲੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ WhatsApp ਕਰ ਦਈਏ ਪਟਵਾਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਦਾ
Now let us see the post order. Post order says leftmost.
M,
Huh?
M, T, Q,
M.
T,
M,
Q,
M, Q, N, S,
M, Q, N, S,
T,
T,
B, P,
P,
E, G, D, B, S. E, G, D, B, S.
SQY.
Please match.
yes sir,
Because
Sir, E के बाद G आएगा ना?
please. I repeat. Post order says left, right route. Left is
M,
so right is a tree. So check the leftmost. Q. Left के बाद right. Check the leftmost.
उसका left N.
Left, right, root.
Yes, sir.
Then left, right,
N.
root.
yes sir,
Left, right, root.
T,
yes,
P.
Now left is done.
Yes, sir, right.
Now go for the right part. Leftmost.
Yes,
Left,
T,
left,
T.
right, root.
Then sir G आएगा.
Sorry.
G another sir,
E, G,
Yes, G आएगा यहाँ
E,
पे.
G, F आएगा,
E,
D है sir,
G,
वो
F.
F नहीं.
ये
Yes,
D
sir.
है. ये
Sir, वो
D
D
होता
है
है.
शायद.
हाँ, D है.
Yes, sir.
E,
Yes, sir,
G,
D
D.
था. Yes. sir,
Left,
then D
right,
है.
root. Left is done, then right is not there. B, root. Left, right, root.
X, yes sir,
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Or one more example we need to solve.
One
Please
more
tell.
example.
One more example. Okay. Okay. Let us go. Let us do one more example. And I will submit to you the tutorial sheet. Please try to solve it by yourself, and then things will be more clear to you. Now, X, P, M, L, T, B, U, N, S, B, E, D, Q, and C. हाँ जी, pre-order.
Sir, X, P, M, and
X, P, M,
L,
XPML.
T,
U, T, B,
Then sir
U,
T.
N.
T,
Then
B,
sir
U, N,
Yes, sir.
S, B, E, D, Q,
Q,
C.
C.
Please check.
Yes, sir.
So pre-order says root left right. So root left, root left, root left right, root left right, root left, and there's no right. Chhod do. Root left right, SBE. Okay, then root is done. Left, D. Root left right. There is no right. So chhod do. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In order. Leftmost.
L
L के बाद root. In order says left, root, right. तो left के बाद root.
LM T V LM VT and yes, BSE D.
Please check. Please check. Because in order says left, root, right. Left,
Yes, sir.
root. Left, root, right is a tree. Check the leftmost. Left,
B.
root. Right is again a tree. Left, root.
So U के बाद P आएगा.
Okay, sorry. Yes, yes, we missed B.
बाकी
Left, root. Right is not there. छोड़ दो. Left के बाद root.
Yes, sir.
And right का again leftmost. Left, root, then right is a tree. Again go for the leftmost. Left, root, right. Left, root, right. This is C. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What will be the post order of it?
L V
L,
V, N,
V,
N
N,
U T N
U, T, M,
M.
M
P.
E.
Left के बाद right पे.
Yes. Then
B,
P.
Q,
Then Q
C.
C D E S
C D E.
E S. Then X last one.
Yes, sir.
Because in a post order says left, right, root. What is the leftmost?
L.
L. Left के बाद right. Right is a tree. Again go for the leftmost.
Yes.
Then right is a tree. Because post order says left, right, root. So left, right, left, N. Left, right is not there. U. Left, right, root T. Left, right, root M. Left, right is not there. Root P. Now left is done. Right. तो right के लिए again वही चलेगा. Left, right, root. तो left, B. Then right. Right का फिर क्या लेंगे? Leftmost. Left, right, root. Left, right, root. Left, right, root. Left, right, root.
सर ट्री से ऑर्डर का एक्सप्रेशन तो बन जाता है बट जो आपने बोला था ना कि एक्सप्रेशन से ट्री बनाओ सर वो
That is the next level problem. Is this clear?
यस सर
Yes,
Is
sir.
this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Please everyone respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now This was writing pre-order, in-order, post-order from the tree. Next is, suppose a tree is given to me. X, P, L, M, T, B, S. Told me it's pre-order. X, P, M, T, L, V, S. And
Yes,
will
sir.
be in order. M, P, T,
MB.
X, V, L, S.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, you have to go in reverse. You have to make a tree whose pre-order is this and in order is this. What a general mistake students do here, they do what? They make a separate tree for in pre-order and separate tree for in order. That is the incorrect method. You have to make a same tree which satisfies both at the same time.
Yes, sir.
The pre-order says X is the root
Yes, sir.
because pre-order is root left right. The first pre-order first item will be always the root. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But if you are given the in order, check where is the root.
In center.
In center. So these will be the left elements and these will be the right element. This means if in order is given to you, half of the problem is solved.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, pre-order says root left
Yes.
right. Root के बाद left आएगा. But M पता नहीं right में है या कहाँ है. ये मुझे बताएगा in order. Because in order is telling me M is on left of
Second
P.
case, sir.
Because in order says left root right. Left root. And suppose I put T here. Check pre-order.
Right.
X, P, M, T. Exact. M, P, T, X. Exact.
Yes, sir.
Now, next term is
L.
L right में आएगा. L यहाँ नहीं हो सकता, यहाँ नहीं हो सकता. Because if L had been here, तो M से पहले in order में L आता.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Because
L-
second order में जो पहला होता है.
L and V. I will check V. इसको आप you can do with the hit and trial method also. You put a node and check whether it satisfies both or not. Okay. Now, in order says L के left में V है and S. तो L V S V L S. बिल्कुल सही. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let us do one more example. Should I erase it? Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But suppose in
Yes.
in case of pre-order, you are given the post order. And what will be the post order of this tree? M, T, P, V, S, L, X. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But in again, pre-order first element was the root. Post order last element is the root.
Yes, sir.
And again, if in order is given to you, you can check what are the left element and the right element.
Yes, sir.
But you will face a problem, then in order will not be given to you. Suppose pre-order and post order are given to you. समझ आ रही बात या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Because in that case, you will not be able to judge elements will be on the left part or the right part. You will keep on putting one element and keep on checking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today I will give you a few problems to solve. Please, because for solving these trees, expression to tree. Earlier we were making expressions from trees. Now we are making tree from the expression. This needs a lot of understanding of pre-order, in-order, and post-order. Pre-order says root left right. In-order says left root right. Post-order says left right root. Until this thing is very clear to you, you people will not be able to make these things. And trust me, this is one of the most challenging problem of data structure. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Should I raise it now?
Yes, sir.
Now, tree traversal we are talking about. Tree traversal we are talking about. Please see one thing. What are the applications of stack we know till now? Applications of stack. Please tell.
Recursion.
Recursion. Quick sort.
Solving the expression.
Infix to postfix. Postfix evaluation.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
today
Yes, sir.
another application will be added to applications of stack. It helps you traverse the tree. Okay. I have a tree A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So if I traverse this tree, which data structure I will use? Please, which data structure I will use? I will use stack. Should I do this example or the example which is given in the book? Please tell me. Should I solve this example or example given in the book?
सर जो आसान होगा वो
जो भी आसान है।
दोनों ही आसान है. But my issue is if I solve this example and then you see books example, then you will have two examples. And if I solve only books
Yes, sir.
example, so then you will need to solve one example on your own.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Three board
which way,
example, sir.
whichever way you are comfortable, I will go with it. Let us do book. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us
सर
make
इसको
it.
समझ के बुक वाली समझेंगे।
But मैं चाहता हूँ आप बुक वाला ही करो. बुक वाला थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, थोड़ा सा आसान है. Let us do that example. बुक वाला फिर ये एग्जांपल तो आप कर ही पाओगे. Pre order. So tree given in the book is this: A, B, C, E, F, D, G, H, and K. Please make this tree on your copies.
Done, sir.
Done? Should I start it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please see these steps very carefully. Then again the same thing. If you know a good example, algorithm will be nothing. Please, I'm going to solve this tree using which traversal method? Pre-order. And I will use what?
Stack.
Stack for it. Okay? Step by step, I'm going to solve it. Please see it very carefully. First step is, I will put phi to stack. Phi means null. This null, if again I am left with null, will tell me the whole tree has been traversed. Is it clear why I put null? Because last में जब मेरे पास null ही बचेगा तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा whole tree has been done, traversed. Okay?
Yes.
Second step, pointer will start from the root. Which node?
A.
And pre-order में हम कैसे प्रोसेस करते हैं? रूट लेफ्ट राइट. तो रूट को प्रोसेस कर देंगे. ओके? फर्स्ट टू स्टेप्स आर क्लियर और नॉट?
सर क्या लिख
Yes, sir.
सर क्या लिखा सर
Pointer is at root A and I will process it because pre-order यही बोलता है रूट को पहले प्रोसेस करो. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I have to do one thing. जैसे ही मैं रूट को प्रोसेस करूंगा, stack was having 5.
Yes, sir.
तो जिस भी रूट को मैं प्रोसेस करूंगा उसका राइट में स्टैक में डाल दूंगा. Is it clear? रूट प्रोसेस करते ही राइट को मैं कहां डाल दूंगा?
सर राइट को डालेंगे कि लेफ्ट को डालेंगे?
राइट लेफ्ट को. Sorry, राइट को. See, why I have put? Because see, pre-order says what? Process root, then process left, then process right.
Yes, sir.
तो रूट के प्रोसेस करने के बाद जब मैं लेफ्ट में चला जाऊंगा मुझे ये कैसे पता चलेगा राइट में क्या है? मुझे कौन बताएगा?
Stack.
Stack. That is why I put right on the stack.
Yes, sir.
This step is clear now?
Yes, sir.
अब पॉइंटर कहां जाएगा? लेफ्ट में. रूट के बाद किसको प्रोसेस करते हैं? That pointer is equal to
B.
देखो बड़ा सिंपल मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी है. रूट को प्रोसेस करो, राइट को स्टैक में डाल दो और लेफ्ट में चले जाओ. हमेशा यही करना है. प्री ऑर्डर, रूट को प्रोसेस करो, लेफ्ट को स्टैक में राइट को स्टैक में डाल दो और कहाँ चले जाओ, लेफ्ट में.
लेफ्ट में चले जाओ.
इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
नाउ रूट को प्रोसेस किया, राइट को स्टैक में डाला और लेफ्ट में चले गए. अब पॉइंटर बी पे आ गया तो बी को क्या कर दिया, प्रोसेस,
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि बी इस ट्री का रूट है.
Yes, sir.
अब बी का कोई राइट है क्या?
No, sir.
अगर होता तो मैं कहाँ डाल देता,
स्टैक में.
स्टैक में. तो मैं नहीं डालूंगा. पॉइंटर कहाँ जाएगा?
G
देखो रूट को
Left
प्रोसेस
में.
किया, राइट था नहीं, कहाँ चले जाएंगे?
E D
D पे.
D
तो प्रोसेस डी,
Yes, sir.
और डी
Stack.
को प्रोसेस करते ही राइट में क्या डाल देंगे?
H
तो स्टैक में 5 सी और क्या आ जाएंगे?
H है, sir.
और एच डालने के बाद मैं कहाँ चला जाऊंगा?
G पे.
G पे. Set.
Process G.
सेट पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू जी
Yes, sir.
एंड प्रोसेस जी.
Yes, sir.
नाउ जी के लेफ्ट राइट में कुछ नहीं है. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
तो ट्री विल एंड हियर, जी प्रोसेस्ड. अब रूट हो गया, लेफ्ट हो गया, तो मुझे कहाँ आना है?
H में.
तो राइट
Right.
मुझे कौन देगा?
Stack.
स्टैक.
Stack
तो
देगा.
व्हाट आई विल डू,
Stack.
पॉप एच फ्रॉम स्टैक. स्टैक से एच निकाल लेंगे
Yes, sir.
एंड पॉइंटर विल बी ऑन
H.
एच.
H पे जाके
एच को क्या कर देंगे
Process
प्रोसेस.
और उसका राइट कहाँ डाल देंगे?
स्टैक में.
Stack.
तो स्टैक में क्या बचेगा?
K
5 सी
C
एंड.
and K.
I C K.
I C N K.
तो रूट को प्रोसेस करके राइट को स्टैक में डाल दिया, लेफ्ट में कुछ है ही नहीं, छोड़ दिया.
Yes.
तो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट अगेन मुझे कौन देगा?
Process. Yes, sir.
Stack.
Pop कर दे.
पॉप के
Pop
फ्रॉम
K.
स्टैक.
Pop K from stack.
एंड
Pointer is equals to
Pro-
stack. Process.
Pointer is equals to.
सेट पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू के
Yes, sir. And
एंड
process.
प्रोसेस इट.
K.
Sir.
अब ट्री खत्म हो गया बिकॉज आगे कुछ है ही नहीं.
Yes, sir.
तो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट अगेन मुझे कौन देगा?
Pop from stack.
स्टैक. तो पॉप सी फ्रॉम स्टैक.
Pop C from stack.
प्रोसेस सी.
Process C.
प्रोसेस सी एंड
Stack.
F को
Stack में
stack
क्या
में डाल
डालेंगे?
देंगे.
F.
Phi and F.
Phi
एन
F.
एफ. और पॉइंटर कहाँ चला जाएगा?
E के पास.
E के पास.
देखो हर स्टेप पे यही कर रहे हैं. रूट इज प्रोसेस्ड, राइट को स्टैक में डाल के लेफ्ट में चले जाएंगे. और
Sorry,
जब
Z.
जब लेफ्ट मिलना बंद हो जाए, जैसे जी का लेफ्ट मिलना बंद हो गया, तो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट मुझे कौन देगा?
Stack.
Yes, sir.
तो एफ पॉइंटर विल बी ऑन नाउ.
E.
ई सेट पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू ई. प्रोसेस ई.
E.
रूट को प्रोसेस कर दिया, राइट को स्टैक में डाल के ई में चले गए, ई को प्रोसेस कर दिया. नाउ नेक्स्ट,
Pop from stack. F is from stack.
बिकॉज ई का लेफ्ट राइट नहीं है, ये खत्म हो गया, तो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट मुझे कौन देगा अगेन?
Stack.
स्टैक. तो 13 पॉप एफ एंड प्रोसेस एफ. तो स्टैक में क्या बच जाएगा?
Phi.
Phi.
तो ट्री ट्रैवर्स हो चुका है.
Yes, sir.
इज इट इजी नाउ?
Yes, sir.
So at each step we are doing what? We are processing root, putting right element on the stack and moving to the left.
Left. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
मैं short में बोलता हूँ. Process A, put C to stack, move to B. Process B, there is no right. अगर होता तो stack में डाल देता. Move to left. Process D, put H to the stack, move to left G. Process G. Now G का कोई लेफ्ट राइट नहीं है. Tree will stop here. तो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट मुझे कौन देगा? स्टैक. H. Process H and put K into the stack. ऐसे ही करते हैं.
Yes,
Process
sir.
root, put right on the stack and move to the left.
Left.
Always in pre-order you have to do the same. Process root, put right to the stack and move to the left. Then process that left because it is the root. Process it. If it is right, put on the stack and move to the left. Process D. Move H to the stack and move to G. Process G. Tree will end here. Next element will be H. Process H. Move right K to the stack. Move to the left. Okay. Left is not there. So process K. This tree has been done. Now stack was having C at last. Process C, right को stack में डाल दिया and move to left. Process left. There's no tree further. So next element will be given by stack F. Process F and stack will be empty.
सर इसका कोई जनरल एल्गोरिदम भी होगा कि हमारे पास
Exactly. This is the technique. Now we are going to see the algo for it. Let us see it. So I'm going to share the screen, and then we will see the algo for it. Are you able to view my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's a bit slow. Okay. So let us see. These things we have seen. Similar trees, copy trees. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
A
Yes,
and D are similar trees because their structure is same,
Yes.
but
Yes,
elements
yes,
are not
sir.
same. A and C,
Copy tree.
Copy tree.
copy trees, because structure is same, elements are same. Then we did this terminology: root, left, right, level, depth, complete binary tree, extended binary tree. ये example हमने किया था अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
this
sir.
representation of trees using this table. Then we saw the traversing of trees. There's pre-order, root left right, in order left root right, post order left right root. And this is the example we did for pre-order. See, this is the example we did. अभी किया.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Board पे visible अभी भी. तो again process the root, right को stack में डाल के left में चले गए. Is it clear? Please.
Yes, sir.
Should we go the algo for it?
Yes, sir.
This is the algo for pre-order. So I will explain it step by step. Please see it very carefully. So first step is top is 1, stack के 1 में 5 डाला था हमने null.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And pointer कहाँ से start हुआ?
Root.
Root से. Because pre-order. This algo is for pre-order. And pre-order says root left right.
Left, right.
तो root पे है इस time पे. Root node is which node? In example.
A.
A.
Root.
तो
A.
second step is repeat while point is not null. Again stack में null बचेगा तो we will end the algo here. तो apply process to info PTR. PTR में क्या था? Root. तो root को process कर
Root.
दिया.
Yes, sir.
Third step is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Third step is
Yes,
clear
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when we process root, so we on fourth step right child question mark. We check, is there a right child? If there is a right child, we put that right child onto
Null.
Stack.
Stack में करते हैं,
stack.
sir,
Stack में डालते
sorry.
हैं. So
Yes, sir.
right child question mark means we are checking whether right child is there or not. We processed A and A's right is not null. तो उसको कहाँ डालेंगे?
Stack में.
Stack में.
Stack में.
So when we add something to stack, top increments, yes or no? Push operation.
Yes. Yes, sir.
और stack के top में right
Yes, sir.
डाल देंगे.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, if you remember the technique, what I told you, process the root, put the right child onto the stack and move to the
Left.
left. So we processed root on third step. On fourth, I checked if there is a right child. I put it onto the stack. And on fifth step, we go for the left. If left point is not null, that means left node है. जैसे A का left है, कौन सी node? B.
B.
तो pointer is equal to left of pointer. Pointer कहाँ पे आ जाएगा? B पे. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और ये एल्गो रोटेट करके वापस चला जाएगा. फिर B को प्रोसेस करेंगे और फिर B का राइट चेक करेंगे और फिर B के लेफ्ट में चले जाएंगे. आप B फिफ्थ स्टेप का लेफ्ट पार्ट चेक करिए, एल्स पार्ट. जब हम जी का लेफ्ट चेक करते हैं तो हमें लोड नहीं मिलती है आगे,
यस
तो नेक्स्ट नोड हम कहां से लेते हैं?
स्टैक में से
स्टैक से। तो चेक द
Yeah.
एल्स पार्ट, स्टैक के टॉप से नोड ले लिया, और जब नोड लेते हैं तो टॉप माइनस होता है।
सर वो नोड
Please.
लेके उसमें फिर से वो प्रोसेसिंग स्टार्ट
ऑफ कोर्स ऑफ कोर्स ऑफ कोर्स, ये लूप में है ना, सेकंड स्टेप में लूप लगा हुआ है 5वें स्टेप तक,
यस सर
सारा लूप के अंदर है। तो आई अगेन रिपीट, सेकंड स्टेप पॉइंटर रूट पे, थर्ड स्टेप पॉइंटर प्रोसेस्ड, राइट चाइल्ड चौथा स्टेप, राइट चाइल्ड को स्टैक में डाल दिया और कहां चले गए?
लेफ्ट साइड
लेफ्ट में। एल्स पार्ट में जब लेफ्ट मिलना बंद हो जाएगा तो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट कहां से मिलेगा?
Stack.
बताइए, मुश्किल है कुछ?
नो सर
इज इट इजी?
यस सर
इज इट इजी नाउ?
यस सर
दिस इज विच एल्गोरिथम?
Yes, sir.
प्री ऑर्डर
प्री ऑर्डर। प्री ऑर्डर तो प्रोसेस रूट, पुट राइट चाइल्ड टू स्टैक एंड मूव टू लेफ्ट।
यस सर
चलिए चले आगे। तो प्री ऑर्डर को हमने किस यूजिंग विच डेटा स्ट्रक्चर वी प्रोसेस्ड? स्टैक। तो लेट अस डू पोल फॉर टुडे। चलिए पोल करते हैं एक। ओके, पोल इज विजिबल ऑन योर स्क्रीन नाउ, ओनली वन क्वेश्चन इन द पोल। Please attempt it fast. It is only one question and theoretical. Only concept. I'm going to end this poll now. So tree stores data in which format?
hierarchical
Hierarchical format. Exactly.
Hierarchical.
Exactly.
Hierarchical.
Let us do poll 2. Should I end this poll now?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So answers are, relation between depth and level is depth is level plus
Depth
1,
is equal to level plus 1.
and external node, internal node. External node is always one more than the
internal
internal node. Okay. Let us go for poll 3. Please attempt. Please read question very carefully.
done sir
Should I end this poll now?
yes sir.
Yes.
The pre-order says
root left
root left
Root
right.
left right.
In order says,
Left, root, right.
Right.
or post order says.
Left, right.
Left, right.
root.
Exactly. I hope this algo is clear now.
yes sir
Should we go now? Should we move now? For the second algorithm.
Sir, in order.
In order, yes. Should I erase it? Should I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Because this
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
example, doing the same example from the book will help you when you will see the same example from the book or the notes. So there step by step it is solved. Please, I recommend you tree traversing topic you have to study today only. Don't postpone it that I will study it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because you have learned this concept today. I insist that you should revise this topic today only, so that you are confirmed that you have gained maximum of it. So in order tree. So again, I am going to take the same example which is given in the book. in order. So example given in the book for in order is this: A, C, E, B, D, G, K, H, L, M. This is the example we have to solve using which?
In order.
In order. And in order
None.
says
Left,
Left,
right.
left root right.
Yes, sir.
So first step is same. I will put 5 to the stack
Yes, sir.
because this null will tell at the end the tree has been traversed. Now second step is what? Because if I write the in order of it, तो A का leftmost क्या है?
K.
K.
तो K को पहले process करना है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what I will do, I
Set.
will put the leftmost arm onto the stack. I tell you what I do. तो stack में क्या था? मेरे पास 5. तो leftmost arm A, B, D, G, K ये सारी स्ट्रीम में कहाँ डाल दूंगा?
Stack में.
Stack.
और स्टैक मुझे सबसे पहले क्या देगा?
K.
K. और मुझे K ही प्रोसेस करना है.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now pop K and
Process.
process. तो left is done. Left के बाद root.
G.
फिर से पॉप करेंगे इसमें.
Pop G and process.
G and process.
उसके बाद left is done,
D.
then root.
D.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Now sixth step पे stack में क्या बचा है? 5
5 A B.
and B. अब
D.
right process करना है. तो right फिर क्या है? एक tree है. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
तो जैसे ये stream stack में डाला था वैसे ये वाला stack डालना पड़ेगा.
H.
H L.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now pop LN process.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pop HN process.
Yes.
और जब
sir.
root process करते हैं तो ये वाली stream कहाँ जाती है?
Stack में.
Stack में. Pop MN process. Pop BN process. Pop AN process. ये process करते हैं ये वाली stream कहाँ चली जाएगी?
Stack में.
Pop EN process. Pop CN process. 5 is left. 3 is traversed. Easy है?
Yes, sir.
I repeat. A B D G के stack में डाला. Pop KN process. Pop GN process. Pop DN process. जैसे ही root process करेंगे उसके right की left most stream stack में डाल देंगे. H and L. A B H and L. Pop LN process. Pop HN process. तो ये stream कहाँ जाएगी stack में? M. चाहे एक ही नोड है. Pop MN process. Pop BN process right नहीं है. Pop AN process. तो रूट को जब प्रोसेस करेंगे तो ये स्ट्रीम स्टैक में चले जाएगी ऐसे. CNE. EN process, CN process खत्म. Is it easy? Please respond. Is it easy?
Yes.
You can see on the screen the same example is solved. A, B, D, G, K is in the stack. Then K is processed, G is processed, D is processed. When D is processed, so H and L will be the stack, into the stack. See, 4th step, A, B, H, L. L is processed, H is processed. When you will process H, M will go to stack. Then M processed, B processed, A processed. On step 7, when you process A, so this CE will go to stack. This CE will go to stack. E is processed, C is processed. Khatam. Is it easy?
Yes.
Please respond.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should
Yes.
we go for the algo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes,
this
sir,
is the algo on the screen. So first step is same. Top is 1. Stack 1 में क्या डाला 5 and pointer will start from
Root.
root. तो रूट से what I have to do? I have to put the leftmost arm onto the
सर रूट का लेफ्ट पुट कर ही जाना है जब तक वो नल नहीं
रूट के लेफ्ट को स्टैक में डालते जाना है,
यस सर
है ना? ये पूरा
Yes,
स्ट्रीम
sir.
ए बी डी जी के. तो रिपीट
Yes,
वाइल
sir.
पॉइंट इज नॉट नल. टॉप को इंक्रीमेंट करते जाएंगे. तो see we go as per the example. What is the root? Which is the root node on the example?
E.
A.
ए
तो I will increment top and top में क्या डाल दूंगा? A. और पॉइंटर कहां चला जाएगा?
उसके
लेफ्ट में. लेफ्ट नोड इज
B.
B. I will again increment the top and B stack में चला जाएगा. उसके बाद again I will move to left of B, that is G. उसको भी स्टैक में डाल देंगे. G उसको भी स्टैक में डाल देंगे. K उसको भी स्टैक में डाल देंगे.
Yes,
So
sir.
what second step will do? A B D G K. It will go
Left
into
node.
the. It will go into the
Stack.
stack.
Yeah.
Second
Yes,
step
sir.
is clear.
Yes, sir.
Put the leftmost part onto the stack. A B D G K. Is it clear or I need to repeat, please?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
पॉप करके उसको प्रोसेस
Yes, sir.
हाँ बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल सही.
Yes,
थर्ड
sir.
स्टेप. अब स्टैक के टॉप में क्या है? एग्जाम्पल
के है जो
K.
मोस्ट
तो K को मैं टॉप
K,
-1
K.
K को निकालूंगा. K को क्या करूंगा? फिफ्थ स्टेप
Process.
के को निकाल देंगे।
प्रोसेस करूंगा.
कर देंगे।
और प्रोसेस
Yes.
करके क्या चेक करूंगा कि उसका राइट है?
Yes, sir.
राइट चाइल्ड
ये
क्वेश्चन
नहीं
मार्क.
है।
अगर राइट है, जैसे इफ यू चेक डी नोड, तो डी का राइट है. विच नोड?
यस
एच.
H.
तो पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू राइट ऑफ पॉइंटर. पॉइंटर एच पे आएगा और ये एच वाली स्ट्रीम फिर कहां डालनी है सारी?
Stack में.
और वो कौन सा स्टेप डाल रहा था?
Third.
Third.
स्टेप टू.
सेकंड
Yes, sir.
सेकंड
Step.
यहाँ थोड़ा सा गलत है.
Yes,
स्टेप
sir.
2 आना है यहाँ पे. ओके.
Yes, sir. Yes,
वो
sir.
सारी स्ट्रीम फिर कहां चली जाएगी? और
Stack.
जब आपको एलिमेंट मिलना बंद हो जाता है तो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट आप कहां से लेते हो?
Stacks.
Left.
लो जी, एल्गोरिथम. इज इट टफ?
No, sir.
Again, I'm telling you, if you are having a good example with you, algorithm will be nothing. Okay? Please tell me if you need to revise in order's algorithm. I can repeat. Because today's topic is tree traversal. The main important topic for today is tree traversal. And I again insist you again, please read this topic today only. Read its method and the algorithms today only, because do not postpone it to tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Otherwise, you will forget what we have studied. In order is clear algorithm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I repeat it? Please, should I repeat it?
Clear, sir.
Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
We are left with the last method, that is
Post order.
post order. Exactly, post order. So let us do post order for it, for the same tree. So same example I'm going to solve. So post order. So stack will initially have
5.
5 as
Yes.
same.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to see the post order method. This is the post order method. Okay. Now, post order may, if I write the post order of this tree, so which node will be processed?
Left node.
K, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I have to put the leftmost path on stack.
Stack.
पर थोड़ा अलग तरीके से, बिकॉज इन ऑर्डर में भी हमने यही किया था. 5 रूट नोड इज
B.
रूट नोड
A, sir.
ए, और मुझे ये लोड स्टैक में डालनी है, बट राइट वाले नेगेटिव करके. A माइनस C, B D माइनस H, G एंड K. इससे what significant I'm getting is the right nodes are C and H because those are written as negative. In
Negative.
post order, what you have to do, start from the root A, put this stream onto the stack, taking the right element as negative. A minus C, B, D minus H, G, K.
सर ये इसको पुश कैसे कराएंगे स्टैक में?
Step by step. First
Yes,
push
sir.
A to the stack, then check it's right. Is there a right है तो negative करके डाल दो और left में चले जाओ.
Yes
Then
sir.
A minus C, B, D minus H, G, K. You can see on your screen also the PDF I have shared.
Yes sir.
चलें आगे.
Yes sir.
Now सबसे पहले क्या प्रोसेस होगा?
A.
Pop KN process,
Okay. Yes sir.
then pop GN process,
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
then left के बाद right होता है. Post order है because post order says left,
Right.
right,
Right.
root. तो right node is H. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
And minus H बता रहा है कि ये कौन सी node है?
Right.
Right node.
Right node.
Right.
Minus, please see, this step is very important. Minus H निकाल के प्लस का H डाल देंगे स्टैक में क्योंकि इसकी बारी आ गई है प्रोसेस होने की.
Yes sir.
एंड वही इसका स्ट्रीम स्टैक में डालना है.
L minus.
Minus M.
माइनस ML.
Minus ML.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now process L,
Yes, sir.
take minus M and put
Stack.
plus M. But
Plus
M
M.
का आगे लेफ्ट राइट नहीं है.
Yes sir.
Process M, process H, process D, process B, minus C
Yes sir.
Plus C.
plus C.
Plus
राइट
C.
वाला नहीं है, अगर होता तो नेगेटिव करके डालता. और क्या डालूंगा?
E.
Process E,
Process-
process C,
process
process
C,
A.
process A.
खत्म.
Yes sir.
Should I repeat? Should I repeat?
Yes sir.
See, what we did? We write A minus C, then B, D minus H, then G and K. So K is not having left and right, process it. G is left is processed, right is not there. Process G. Left is done. Now right minus H. So what step I told you? Pop minus H and push H. और उसके बाद फिर वही right वाला negative.
Yes sir.
Minus M and L because left,
Yes, sir.
then right, then root, left, then right, then root. L processed, take minus M and put M. Now M is not having any left and right. Process H process, D process, B process, minus C निकाल के क्या डालेंगे?
C.
और अगर यहाँ पे Z होता तो मैं क्या डालता?
Minus Z.
Z.
E.
E.
Yes sir.
E process,
Yes sir.
minus Z निकाल के क्या डालेंगे?
Z.
Z process, C process, A process.
Yes sir.
सर जब हम पॉप करते हैं तो जब कोई माइनस एलिमेंट मिलता है तो उसका मतलब होता है कि हम राइट में पहुंच गए हैं.
Exactly.
तो हमने उसको फिर से
Exactly.
उसके left
Now
में
you
फिर
need
से-
to check. Now you need to check कि वो एक सिंगल नोड है या ट्री है. जैसे H,
Yes, sir.
it was a tree, तो मुझे फिर वही चलना पड़ेगा माइनस M.
Three, sir.
और जब मैं यहाँ आया था माइनस M तो M एक नोड थी.
Yes, sir. तो उसको हमने पॉप कर देना है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल exactly. Example is clear. तो see you can see this example. जो example आपने किया वो same example solved है. Please I again repeat, do this topic today only. Okay. Now let us go for the algo for it. The first step is very obvious. Top is 1, stack 1 is null, pointer is at root as example. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes,
लेफ्ट
sir.
मोस्ट पार्ट को स्टैक में डालना है. तो रूट नोड इज विच नोड?
A.
A. तो आई विल थर्ड स्टेप आई विल पुट A on stack
Yes sir.
and check is there any right node if right point is not null.
Right.
अगर right है तो उसको कहां डालेंगे? स्टैक में क्या करके?
Minus.
Sir,
Minus करके.
डाल-
तो
Minus
top is top plus 1
Yes,
and
sir.
stack of top is minus right of PTR.
Minus of right of PTR. Yes sir.
Exactly. Is it clear? और कहां चले जाएंगे?
Left.
Fifth step
Left.
लेफ्ट में
Yes sir.
A स्टैक में राइट माइनस और लेफ्ट में चले जाएंगे और ये एल्गो घूमेगा, ये स्टेप 2 घूमेगा। जैसे ए डाला पॉइंटर ऑन सेकंड थर्ड स्टेप, ए ऑन स्टैक, देन माइनस राइट, माइनस नोड कौन सी है, सी, ए माइनस सी, और पॉइंटर कहां पे आ जाएगा अब, बी पे। यस और नो?
यस सर।
तो ये
B का
घूमेगा
डिफरेंट
एल्गोरिथम, सेकंड स्टेप पे जाके थर्ड स्टेप पे बी को भी स्टैक में डाल देंगे। तो थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ स्टेप क्या है? थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ स्टेप विल डू व्हाट फॉर मी? They will do the same thing. That is, they will do the same thing for me. Put the root on the stack, check the right, minus C, and move to
B.
B. Put B onto the stack.
Then D.
Then इसका right नहीं है, नहीं तो नेगेटिव डालता। Then left में चले गए D.
Minus
फिर
H.
minus H. And then G and
K.
तो फिफ्थ स्टेप तक ये आउटपुट आएगी आपकी। रूट को वी हैव पुट इनटू द स्टैक, देन माइनस ऑफ राइट, देन मूव टू लेफ्ट, एंड बी को भी स्टैक में डालेंगे। फर्स्ट 5 स्टेप्स आर क्लियर और नॉट?
यस।
प्लीज एवरीवन,
Yes, sir.
if you say I can repeat, please, but you should not have any doubts or any issues with it. Should I repeat? Or it is clear? Please respond.
Clear, sir.
क्लियर।
Okay.
क्लियर सर।
Okay. तो फिफ्थ स्टेप की आउटपुट ये है। तो उसके बाद प्रोसेसिंग के लिए हम एलिमेंट टॉप से लेंगे।
यस सर।
Your sixth step. Yes or no?
यस सर।
तो सेकंड टॉप में क्या है?
की।
K. Now, let us move to next step. Seventh step. Is K greater than 0?
यस सर।
That means is it a positive node?
यस सर।
Yes. So do what? Process it.
प्रोसेस।
करो।
पॉप एंड प्रोसेस।
और
Yes.
अगली नोड निकालते जाओ स्टैक से 20 स्टेप
यस
में।
सर।
And 8th step देखो, if PTR is less than 0, that means it is a
नेगेटिव नोड।
negative node. तो what do you do? Minus H निकाल के क्या डाल देते हैं?
प्लस एच।
H.
तो पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ पॉइंटर।
Yes,
माइनस और माइनस क्या कर देंगे इसको?
प्लस कर।
प्लस कर देंगे। एंड देन वी विल गो टू स्टेप 2। स्टेप 2 वापस चले
उसको
जाएंगे
फिर से चेक
बिकॉज माइनस ml फिर दोबारा चलाना है मुझे।
यस सर।
इज इट इजी नाउ?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
So this is the algorithm for post order. Trust me, these 3 algorithms are very important for you. Please, if you are having any doubts, you can tell me, I can explain it right away. Because you need to be very clear with these all these 3 algorithms. So we did example for it first. Then we matched it with the algorithm. Yes or no?
यस सर।
I hope there are no doubts now.
Yes, sir.
Please do one thing. Again, I will be doing the same thing. I will be putting this recorded session onto the YouTube channel. Share with you people. Again, if you feel any difficulty over there, so then I am here to help you. Is it clear? Post order algorithm is clear? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
yes, sir.
ओके बिकॉज सी नहीं क्लियर है तो ऐसे ही मत बोल देना कि क्लियर है बिकॉज दिस टॉपिक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू एज आई टोल्ड यू तो दिस इज योर प्री ट्रैवर्सल वाज इट इजी और टफ
जी सर।
सर इजी नहीं था पर डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं था।
हाँ डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं था
Great, sir.
बट
Sir,
सी
difficult
you can make it easy for you. How?
यस
First, watch this recorded session again in the evening, and please read these. See, you did 3 things. First, you did pre-order example, pre-order algorithm, in-order example, in-order algorithm, post-order example, post-order algorithm. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Do it in the same pattern. Do it in the same pattern. And I cannot explain in words how important this topic is for you. Okay?